Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to Ideaplex, your go to channel for deep dives into the latest and greatest tools in the digital creative space. Today, we're exploring a game changer that's shaking up the world of AI powered design. Say hello to Piclumen.com, a completely free AI image generator that promises to bring your creative visions to life without costing you a dime. Stick around because we are about to break down how Piclumen works, who it's for, and whether it's worth adding to your creative toolkit. Piclumen is an AI-powered tool that turns your text prompts into high-quality images across a variety of styles. Think realistic, cartoon, line art. The best part, it's all completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure creative freedom. So why are AI image generators like Piclumen such a game changer? Well, think about it. You're a YouTuber, a blogger, a social media whiz. You constantly need fresh visuals to grab attention. But creating high quality images can be time consuming and expensive. Piclumen cuts through that struggle. You simply describe what you need and the AI works its magic to create a unique image for you. Piclumen's AI image generator provides a variety of styles to fit any need. Whether you want to make realistic portraits, anime AI art, or line art, this tool has you covered. This web-based AI image generator is designed to help you unleash your creativity and transform your text into stunning images. Piclumen provides stable models that allow you to generate unique images from text prompts. Powerful resolution of prompts allows Piclumen to easily generate images in a variety of styles, including photorealistic, anime, 3D, artist style, surrealism, and more. Easy to use, professional quality artwork can be produced in very few steps. Free AI image generation is a game changer for creators like us. With these powerful tools at our fingertips, we can transform our ideas into captivating visuals without breaking a sweat. Generate new AI from image with one click. Transform your ideas into stunning artworks effortlessly with image-to-image AI technology. AI art generator will keep the core content of the uploaded image intact, combining your text prompts to change colors, restyle the image, turn sketches into masterpieces, upload an image to use as a style reference. This AI mimics the style of the uploaded image, blending it with your text prompts to generate a new stunning AI art. Maintain consistent characters across your images with ease. Use image-to-image AI generator to give images a new expression by combining text prompts without changing the characters. Piclumen's image-to-image AI generator is designed to be user-friendly and accessible for beginners. Using Piclumen is incredibly user-friendly. You simply head over to their website, piclumen.com, and sign up using Google. When you first land on Piclumen's site, you're greeted by a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate even for beginners. Generating an image is as simple as typing in a prompt, selecting your preferred style, and hitting generate. Alright, let's put Piclumen to the test with a quick challenge. I'm going to show you how to whip up something eye-catching in under a minute using Piclumen's AI. There are options to choose the image style like painting, photorealistic, or cartoon, and you can even specify the size and aspect ratio. It's like having a mini art director at your fingertips. Here I'll try something. All you need to do is type in a description of the image you want to create. For example, a cat sitting at a computer desk, looking unimpressed. Once you're happy with your description, hit the generate button. Piclumen takes your words and transforms them into a one-of-a-kind image. Pretty cool, right? The speed here is impressive. No more waiting around for ages to see results, and the flexibility even better. You can experiment with different styles, adjust prompts, and even use advanced parameters if you want more control over the final output. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the quality of the images. Piclumen claims to produce high-resolution, vibrant visuals that rival even the premium tools out there, and honestly, it delivers. Another cool feature is the ability to control the artistic elements of your image. Let me try with new feature added Flux AI. For example, a majestic dragon with iridescent scales guarding a hidden treasure. You can adjust the composition, tweak the color palette, and even add specific details after the initial generation. This gives you a lot of flexibility to fine-tune the image to your exact liking. The images are versatile, perfect for everything from marketing materials to personal art projects. The added features like background removal and instant HD fixes are the cherry on top, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious editing time. While the image quality is generally fantastic, there are occasional hiccups, especially when it comes to complex prompts or very specific stylistic requests. The AI might not always nail the exact look you're going for, and that's something to keep in mind. So who exactly is Piclumen for? Honestly, it's for anyone who needs to create eye-catching visuals quickly and without hassle. Content creators, marketers, educators, and even students can all find value here. Whether you're creating visuals for a YouTube thumbnail, a marketing campaign, or just exploring your artistic side, Piclumen has you covered. And with its free access, there's no barrier to entry. You can start experimenting with AI-generated art right away without worrying about any costs. However, for most social media purposes and blog posts, the free tier is more than enough. But before you rush off and start generating, remember that AI image generation is still a developing technology. Sometimes the results might not be perfect, but that's part of the fun. Experiment, have fun, and see what amazing visuals you can create. What do you think of Piclumen? Have you tried it out? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. And if you're interested in exploring more about AI-driven tools like this, don't forget to like this video, share, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future content. And if you found this review helpful, subscribe to Ideaplex for more reviews on the latest digital tools. Thanks for tuning in to Ideaplex, where we explore the latest in tech and creativity. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.